guys, and welcome to day 34 of the 40 days of pours. Here's yesterday's dried result. I really actually like this so much. When I looked at it on further inspection, I actually saw this kind of almost looks like the spine where the wings would have been detached. So that makes it so much more cool for me. And today what we are going to do is the Soulmate Kiss Pour. And I already kind of painted my background. I want to do a black and white cup, and then I want to do a colorful cup. So on my first attempt, I kind of just overdid the cup too much. So I just figured, oh, I'm just going to use it as a background. So I flipped it over and poured it, and that's actually going to be a technique that I'm going to teach you guys about in a couple days. So stay tuned for that one. Spoiler alert. And so today what we are going to do is we're going to take 2 Soulmate cups, and then we're going to kiss them together to form the Soulmate Kiss Pour. And so I already got the black and white cup ready. It's super simple, just black and white, and then flip the cup around, do layers like that. So for my Soulmate cup, what I'm going to do with the colors, I'm just going to do plain colors on the bottom, especially because it's a kiss. It's not going to matter with the last couple drips. And then I'm going to do, like I always do, rainbows. Sorry, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Alright, so silver, and then we got pink and turquoise blue, and I want to make it like unicorn again because I've been loving the unicorn styles that I've been coming up with. I'm using gold instead of yellow. So turquoise and gold. It's a little lopsided. That's okay. And then pink and gold. And I'm gonna try to even out the sides. I know that I'm not using as much gold over here. Alright, and what I'm also going to try to do today is something a little different. I've done a couple kiss pours, or Soulmate Kiss Pours in the past, but I've always just kind of continued it in a one tree ring kind of form. This time I want to pour it halfway through, I want to stop, turn it, and then keep pouring so that it switches up the color on the black and white side. Alright, so what we're going to do is have them down the middle. We're going to kiss them. Alright, stopping halfway. Spin. And kiss again. Okay, oh, I think that looks so cool. And of course, I am going to spin this. And I've found that I don't need to spin very hard to get it to move. The paint, especially if you have a background on already, moves quite easily. And then I also like to switch up my rotation so that it's not so spun to one side. Alright, I think I'm going to leave it just like that. I love how psychedelic and amazing and awesome this is. I love how it switches from black and white to color, black and white to color. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here we are for our close-up. I love this so much. It reminds me of zebra print unicorn. Oh, I love this. This makes me so happy. I hope it makes you guys so happy too. Oh my gosh, Look at that. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried results.